Hey everyone, Dr. Abel Cunningham here. As the world's leading Bigfoot scientist, I've had a lot of folks asking me recently, how do you go about finding Bigfoot? So I thought I would do a quick whiteboard session. I've got a graph behind me that will help me illustrate the scientific process behind finding Bigfoot. So where you want to start is how motivated are you to find Bigfoot? So let's say, for example, you're reasonably well motivated to find Bigfoot at maybe about a level 7. So you start over here on your vertical axis with the level 7, and you draw a horizontal line over here to the gradient. And then you draw another vertical line down to the horizontal axis to find out how much you need to fuck around to find Bigfoot. So in this case, if you're motivated to find Bigfoot at about level 7, you should expect to have to fuck around at about a level 7. However, this is not always a linear relationship like this. I mean, there have been many cases where people are barely fucking around at all, and yet sure enough, they find Bigfoot. There are other cases where people are highly motivated to find Bigfoot, and they never find Bigfoot. A good example of this is Fat Phony Faker in the Bigfoot Field Research Organization. But the moral of this story is you can never find Bigfoot if you don't get out there and fuck around. So get out there, fuck around, and maybe you'll find Bigfoot. Thanks for watching.